Today we're looking at a very unique project that was presented to us. It's a 1941 Chevy pickup that's been restored. The customer came in after we had done some repairs on some of their normal daily drivers, and we began talking about wanting to improve the steering and handling on their 1941 Chevy pickup. Through the process of restoration, I don't think they were really understanding or had it explained to them what they could expect the vehicle to drive like. So we began exploring options to help improve the handling of the vehicle and to ease the steering of the vehicle, because this vehicle does not have power steering as it was originally equipped. We talked to a few different people in the industry that have extensive experience doing these types of modifications to older vehicles. We went with the Heinz product. They offer a complete front end. As you can see, we have a pickup truck bed full of parts that need to be installed on the vehicle. You can see there's a new subframe, suspension components, upper and lower control arms, a new power steering rack and pinion, springs. They want to change from the original drum brakes to disc brakes. So there's an extensive list of things that need to be done. Thankfully, Heinz has a quality product, comes with some really great directions as far as measuring and making sure that once the products are welded into place, that they're going to perform as the customer expects. Quite an extensive project. It'll probably take several weeks or longer to fully install. We look forward to making a few videos along the way to kind of let you know the progress. So please stay tuned for those, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop.